front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Start by opening Themes app that's already on your device and hitting Home at the bottom left corner or Categories in the middle. When you're done, you need to find perfect theme for you. And when you're ready, buy it or select one of the free ones. Now you need to download it and tap on Customize if you, for example, don't want to change one of those options. If you do, you need to make sure all of them have blue icons next to them and then hit Apply button. As you can see when I go back, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to one of your default themes, POCO or Limitless, or any other theme you ever downloaded in this app, go back to Themes, and this time choose My Account at the bottom left corner. Now click on Themes section at the top, click on any theme you wanna apply, and choose Apply button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!